Yeah, I'm very glad I was able to complete this course. This has been such a hassle. You know, my own challenges, the political career that you know is always up and down. I started in one university, International University of East Africa. It was not accredited. I moved to Cavendish. Then 2018, I was taken to prison. And then after prison, then COVID came. This course is supposed to be 4 years, but I studied it for 8 years. And even when some detractors, especially those in government, when they learned that I was graduating, they went, intimidated my lecturers, intimidated the university. The National Council for Higher Education took it upon themselves to ensure that they fail this. So this success is a success against Uganda Police, against the government of Uganda, against the National Council for Higher Education. They investigated to the depth to find any technicality to fail me from graduating. So this, in my view, is the most investigated academic qualification in the country. But here I am, I'm a lawyer. Kati chiche wangamba. Tewali chia. Bachitwalenga ekyokuyiga bamanye nti ne bw'oba okuze osobola okugenda n'otuukiriza ebirooto byo. Emyaka gyange sijja kubeera mu ssomero ne kubanga kyabadde kyetaagisa nali nnyina okuddayo mu ssomero. Gimaze tujja genda maaso n'obulamu. Obulamu bwa kuyiga buli lunaku oyiga ky'osobodde. So ofuna omukisa n'oyiga ekintu bw'okiyize nebaza Katonda nti ono kosi naye bwedde. It's not about the politics. Nasooka natandika okukola kosi eno mu 2016 nga sinaba nakwesimbawo. Nayagala just kumanya ng'omuntu. Era buli muntu yandyagadde okwekenneenya ekintu kyagala okumanya nandimuwadde amagezi agende maaso akozesa obudde. Okusomooza kungi nnyo eno kosi ya myaka ena bagisomera emyaka ena nze ngisomedde emyaka 18. So ninga asomye kosi 2 mbadde n'ebizibu bingi. Nasooka mu university emu nenvaamu nga teri accredited, nengenda mu university endala mweyo ne bansiba, nenkomawo ne bansiba, ne kuba n'ebizibu ate ne wabaawo okulonda, ne wabaawo covid, ebizibu bingi naye tetutunulira bizibu, tutunulira ekivuddemu. At least tumazeeko. Oba kati mumpitaani baali bampita principal ne bampita president, kati eno wiiki mugira mumpita council nja babuulira. The young people that are looking up to us, you should know that it's never too late. You can achieve everything, anything, anytime. Of course, use me as an example. I'm sure you don't want to go to school in your 40s. I'm in my 40s, but I'm still in school. So use your time now, because this, you are going to need it. If I did this degree when I was 20, 23, 25, I would be doing other things, but it has taken me 8 painful years. So go to school, use your time while you still can. Education never lies. Ebitabo tebirimba kyali wange.